How to add music from files to Apple Music on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to add music from the Files app to Apple Music on your iPhone, whether you have MP3 files or downloaded songs. I'll guide you step by step, so let's get started. Now, first things first, what you can do is the first method involves using iTunes on your computer to transfer music to Apple Music on your iPhone. Just connect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows PC, open iTunes or Apple Music on Mac OS Catalina, and later drag and drop your MP3 files into iTunes. Just click on your device in iTunes, select Music and Sync Music and choose the files you added. Click Apply to sync, and your transferred songs will appear in the library under downloaded music. Now, if you don't have a computer, you can still play music files using the Files app. However, this won't add them directly to the Apple Music library. Just open the Files app on your phone. Once you've done that, find the MP3 file you want to play. Just tap on that file to play it, and you can share it to a third-party music like VLC or Doppler. If you want to manage your songs like Apple Music, simply consider third-party apps like Doppler or Ever Music. And that's it. Now you know how to add and play music's file on your iPhone.